Hi children, how are you? Hope all are fine. Today we will start with the grammar portion. Understood? That is page number 12 in your textbook. You can find the kinds of sentences. We will start with it. What is a sentence? A sentence is group of words which makes complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So whenever you start writing a sentence, you have to begin it with a capital letter and at the end you have to put full stop. I have given you examples for all these sentences. Now there are four types of sentences. First one, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. We will discuss. First one, declarative sentence. A statement which gives information or ideas. It ends with a full stop. Example, the cake is very tasty. The girl went to the shop to buy sweets. So this is a full sentence. So when you start the sentence, you have to use capital letter and at the end you have to use full stop. Understood? Now next, interrogative sentence. It is asking a question. It also ends with a question mark. For this sentence, you have to end the sentence with a question mark. That is called interrogative sentences. Asking questions. Where do you live? First you have to use capital letter. At the end you have to put question mark. How are you? Understood? Third one, imperative sentences. He tells someone to do something. You ask someone to do something. It can be a command or a request. Understood? It can be a command. You might tell, do that fast, or a request. Please do this, like that. Understood? So, put the key in the box. This is an example. Put the key in the box. You are commanding. Go to school now. Go to school now. These are examples of imperative sentences. Then fourth one, exclamatory sentences. This sentence expresses strong emotions. Sometimes when you are surprised or when you are happy or when you get angry, you ask in an exclamatory way. Understood? Example, what a beautiful day, you are asking in a surprise way. How lucky you are. So for these sentences, last you have to put exclamation mark. Understood? For these sentences you have to put exclamation mark. Now listen children. That is page number 13, worksheet J. Read these sentences. Write S for statements, Q for questions, I for imperatives or E for exclamations. So that exercise you have to do in your textbook. Next class I will correct the answers. First one is, did you like this story? Did you like this story? So at once you can understand what this sentence is. It might be statement or questions or imperative or exclamations. So you have to write that letters you have to write. If it is statement, write S. If it is question, write Q like that. You have to write in that box. Second one, do not litter the class or the corridor. Do not litter the class or the corridor. Third one, the train will depart on time. The train will depart on time. Fourth one, oh no, I have left my book at home. Oh no, I have left my book at home. So, write the correct answers in that box. Next class we will discuss that and write in your notebook. Same way, next K. Find two examples each of declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences from this story. So, you have to find two examples for each sentence, that is from the story. That also you have to write down as homework. Now, L. Rewrite these sentences as instructed within brackets. Rewrite these sentences as instructed within brackets. That you have to copy it in your notebook. This section you have to copy it in your notebook. First question, you can eat as many of these as you like. Bracket, it is given command or request. So, how will you write when you are commanding or requesting? Listen, first one. The answer is like this. Eat as many of these as you like. And put full stop here. Eat as many of these as you like. This is the first answer. Second one, the scene outside is very pretty. That is exclamation. The scene outside is very pretty. So, you have to use exclamation mark and write the sentence. What a pretty scene. Understood? What a pretty scene. And put exclamation mark. Third sentence, is that what you cover yourself with? Is that what you cover yourself with? That is statement. So, you cover yourself with that. You cover yourself with that. Put full stop. That is a statement. Fourth one, his parents were quite worried. So, you have to write it as question. His parents were quite worried. Were his parents quite worried? Put question mark. Were his parents quite worried? Put question mark. So, children, copy all this grammar in your notebook. That is, from there onwards, types of sentence and copy it down in your notebook. After that, write this exercise also in your notebook. J and K. J you have to write in your textbook in that box. K you write down in your rough book. Write two examples for each sentence. Hope you will write this. See you in the next class. Bye.